Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For everyone who is new, I am Chavi Gupta. I am an IIT Delhi and I am Ahmedabad alumna, and I was also a CAT 2017 100 percentiler. So today what I am going to talk about is what should be your routine in the last few days before the CAT exam. I understand that you might have prepared a lot and you might be also anxious, right? But of course, with the right amount of preparation and all the strategies, you will be able to ace your exam without any anxiety. So, in the last few days, the major topics I'll cover is how to prepare mentally, what to do really in the last few days to ensure that you are fully prepared on the final day. And in the end, I will also give some quick updates about me and the live session I had on Instagram, which you can of course join. Just follow me on Instagram. The link is there in description below. So starting with what you should be doing in the last few days. First thing I will tell you is just prepare yourself mentally for the exam. Have confidence in yourself, have confidence in your preparation, in whatever you have done till now, and just know that you will do good in the final exam because you have prepared for it. You have put in the hard work that is required. Have enough confidence in yourself so that you do not really feel the panic over there or the overconfidence over there or any of these such things, right? We want to be in the right mindset at that point in time so that you can give the best that is possible with your preparation. Okay, so do not feel any kind of panic if your mock scores reduce. Do not feel like it now there's not enough time left for me to do anything. Just have faith in your preparation. I will not ask you to do new topics or a lot of new questions, but continuously keep on giving mocks. It's just 2 hours, so maybe give it every alternate day at least till the final exam now. And I think that along with analysis and a little bit of revision of your previous mock tests or any specific questions that you have marked, that should be more than enough for your last few days of preparation. Okay. Another major thing is that is there is that your biological clock should be set right. Now, I have talked about this in a lot of different forums, but one major thing is that when you are giving the exam is and how it turns out is also dependent on how active your brain is at that time. Okay. Now, how that really works is if you are used to sitting and preparing at that amount in that particular duration every day, then your brain tends to remain more active. For example, if I have a habit of waking up at 9 o'clock and someone asks me to do a typical task from 6 to 9, I might not be able to do it as well as I would if I would have practiced in 6 to 9, right? So practice in the slot when your final exam is scheduled. That's what I did, I think, for a week before the final exam, and that really helped me because I understood that this might not be the current mock preparation and timing might not be best suited for the final exam for me. So that's what I did, and that is something I will totally recommend to everyone. Okay, ensure that you are sitting for the entire duration, you're not taking any breaks, and you're really giving the exam like the final mock test. Also ensure you're doing it on a table and chair and kind of simulate the even the answer sheets, even the rough sheets, etc. Okay, so that definitely do. Along with that, when you are giving the different mocks now, ensure that you are not really changing the strategy by a lot. Okay, we have talked about a lot of different strategies for exam giving. You can again watch my video on how to give a mock test or how to attempt a mock test, and all of these different strategies, I'm sure you might have tried a few of them or at least kind of identified what works best for you. I would ask you to not change it drastically. You can of course make minor edits, but do not change your attempt strategy by a lot. And please do not change it on the final day because that is not something that, it might just give unexpected results, and that is not something that we want. So one thing, just keep your strategy kind of consistent and use the same on the final day as well. Okay, again, any kind of scores, any kind of comparison, competition, new mock tests that are coming, please do not let them affect you. I had such a situation and thankfully I did not let it affect me. And what I did was I kind of learned from that particular situation, particular mock test, and just saw that I got really panicky in that mock test, which is why my scores dipped by a lot. And I ensured that this is something I will not let it happen to me on the final day. Okay, so ensure that you are doing that. Keep also, along with, when you are giving the exam, also keep a good clock of sleeping well the day before, because when you sleep well the night before, you tend to be little bit more active, more concentrated, more focused, and all of that. Okay, so these are the major tips from my side for the last few days that you have left. Good luck to all of you who are giving the CAT exam. It will be great. Do not worry about it. Do not feel any kind of pressure that is there. Just give it like just another mock that you are giving. And because you have been practicing quite a bit, you have been giving a few mocks, just take it like just another mock. Okay. So do not feel a lot of pressure. The worst thing that can happen to us is we know the paper and still we are not able to solve it just because of our mental state. Okay. So let's ensure that we do not let that happen to us. Okay, so good luck to all of you. And for anyone who is giving other exams apart from CAT, which generally require a general knowledge section, there are sessions by Unacademy starting in the last week of November, and you can attend those sessions for an entire general knowledge series of sorts. So definitely do check that out if you're giving exams apart from CAT as well, because they will be helpful not only in the other exams but maybe even in your VAT and PI. Okay. Now coming to the end, wherein just giving a quick update about me. So I finally shifted to Delhi, and I went to Jodhpur and Jaipur in Diwali, and it was kind of a good time, but I'm super exhausted, which is why I could not have the live session that we decided on Saturday on YouTube. But instead I had it on Instagram over the weekend, and I answered over 100 questions. So that was again amazing. In case you want to join any of my live sessions, you can either sign up on the website or you can just follow me on Instagram. I give out a lot of updates about live sessions or new videos, etc, etc. So that should be good. I think that kind of is mostly it from my side. I have, yes, started working at BCG. It has been almost 1.5 months now. The work is superb. It's again exhausting. That is why, a little bit of my frequency has reduced of the overall videos. But that's it from my side, guys. Again, all the best for CAT, all the best for all of the other exams that you're giving. Feel free to join my Telegram groups for any updates that are there. And in case you like the videos, do check the others out and do share as well. Bye bye. See you soon again on a live Q&A session on the weekend. Most likely on YouTube, but maybe on Instagram. Okay? Bye bye. See you.